Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 by 7 divided 7 times 4. What people do, they cancel out the 7 with 7, then 4 divided by 1 times 4 as 4 times 4, 16. But already mentioned that the answer is not 16 because this approach is wrong. Yes, you heard it right. When you have given division and multiplication, as per BODMAS or PADMAS rule, both have same priority. But what people miss that you have to always solve it from left to right. Yes. So this 4 by 7 divided by 7, this part we have to write it like this. Put the multiplication sign here and this 7 becomes 1 by 7 times 4. Now it's become 4 times 4 by 7 times 7. So the correct answer is 16 by 49, not 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.